Now let's go back to our second channel to view our messages. So we can see their messages and their metadata as well as attachments. But what about searching for a specific message or viewing later messages? Well, we can do that with the filter options above the metadata table. So you can see up here at the top left, we have the filter options. So first we have the start time. So this is going to be the start time of the message from when we first received it. So if we wanted June 5th, the start of June 5th to June 6th, then we could set start date to June 5th. Let's say all day. And the end date to June 6th. And let's search. So we can see all the messages that we received on June 5th. Now also, if we wanted to view a message that has a specific text in the message, we could also go in the text search, enter in whatever text we wanted to search for. So say we were looking for this message, and we were looking for Charles White. So I'm going to copy that, paste it up here, and we can do search again. Now search takes quite a long time depending on the amount of messages we have in our channel. So it could take quite a bit to search through a whole bunch of messages. In our case, it's going to be pretty quick. So you can see that we got one message. So now that we have our message, we could also just view different statuses. So if we just want our original sent message to our destination, we can also click on sent and search. And it's just going to give our sent message. We can click on that and view whatever message we wanted. This could also work with the transformed or any of these message statuses. So if we just wanted the source and the transformed, we can get the source. Now if we had a lot of results, then we could limit the page size or increase it using the page size input text right here. Default, it's 20. And if we wanted to just reset all the filters, we can click reset. So that takes it back to the regular filter options. To the right, you can also see the current search. So this is going to be all the filters that are attached to the message data table down here. If we search again, we can see that it goes back to the default.